All right, everybody, we're going to find out why these bikers went too fast in the corner. It's a Suzuki Gixxer 600 down, but it's an Aprilia. Okay, anyways, let's take a look. Having some fun. Little squiggle line, little sharp corners up ahead. What's going to happen here? Some brake lights. Oh, somebody's already down. Okay, start doing some accident scene investigation. How did this person get to that side? They came from the other side, went too wide, and bam, right there, hit the guardrail. Look at edge of the cliff. Got very lucky. Didn't get wrapped around one of these metal poles. Walking wounded. Helmet's already off, breathing. Okay. Arms are okay, legs are okay. Who knows about the spine? There still could be some breaking, hairline fractures, hiding the pain because of embarrassment. Now all these people are looking at you because you crashed. So let's take a look at this. So we're coming up to here. This is why we need to be able to rescue another rider. So I was playing around with my rescue pack. Has everything you're going to need. Bleeding control supplies, a lot of stuff, tourniquet, scissors, lots and lots of stuff. So right here, you got a nice little rescue card that's going to help you out. So if you don't know what to do, pull that rescue card out. I keep mine in my wallet, but what you can do is study this at home. This is the rescue booklet. It comes with the rescue pack. Make sure you guys grab one if you want to, just in the shop by itself. But let's take a look at this. So this is where the crash happened. So more than likely, that's probably what happened, is that he came around the corner just like that. But then the problem is that we went too far and we crashed. Okay, so pretty high mechanism, maybe going a little too fast, but thankfully no other vehicles were coming. Thankfully he didn't go off the side of that mountain. Look at that. Thankfully he didn't do that. So he's walking around, has full gear, very good. So as a smart rider, we're doing something here. We're acquiring it, but maybe we didn't really work on those things, okay? So work on your cornering, take it slower, do slow look, press and roll. Make sure we're not doing anything crazy around the corners. There's no reason to. Ask him if he's good, very good. He's handling it pretty well. Ensure your own safety. Okay, he's kind of in shock. Let him sit down. We got enough people here. We can help out. Let's move the bike for him. You sit down, buddy. Who knows? Let your body kind of calm down a little bit. Okay, just let them do that, because then all of a sudden they're like, oh yeah, I'm hurting. There's some pain now. That usually happens. So pretty high mechanism. Crash in the corner. Make sure you guys go into orange stage and you are prepped and ready for those things. Come on. And then talk to each other on Accardo. Use code DDTF for a discount. What is the importance of a motorcycle helmet? I think this is pretty easy for you guys to understand. But basically, you're going to have injuries to your head in a crash. Simple as that. Injuries to your brain specifically in a crash. Your head might not hit the ground, but your brain is sloshing around in that cerebral spinal fluid. Coup contra coup. It's going to hit something, bounce around, rotational forces, causing tears, micro tears, bruising on the brain where it hits the inside of the skull. Not good. That's called a traumatic brain injury. You can have concussions. You can have really high-grade concussions where you're starting to just lose all memory. But a helmet, what that's going to do is hopefully absorb some of that impact with that polystyrene foam, has some absorption properties, so when it does hit, hopefully it's not going to cause as much of an injury. Hopefully, I'm not going to say numbers, but let's say it prevents 50% of the negative outcome. I would take that over anything. Plus, a helmet with a face shield is going to protect your eyeballs. Your eyeballs are part of your brain. It's connected to your brain. It's the only thing that's external. I don't want to have a rock or a bug or a bee go right into my eyes, so I have a face shield. That's going to protect your eyes. You don't have to wear glasses at that point, unless you have to, but a face shield is going to protect your eyes. Also, it's going to protect your hearing to some extent. You still want to wear earplugs, but it's going to hopefully protect your hearing because you don't want to have hearing loss. Another thing is that, like I said, with the bugs hitting your eyes, well, you don't want it to hit your face, okay? So hopefully you have a full face chin bar, and in an event of a crash and you hit face first, it's going to hopefully protect your chin from having massive, massive injuries to where you can't have an airway to breathe. Okay, you might be good everywhere else, but then you smash your face and you die because you can't breathe. Not good. Okay, you might still break some teeth. You might still get some bloody mouth because it does impact your face, but it's not going to rip your face open like I've seen a few times on motorcycle accidents. So, what is the importance of a helmet? It's protecting the most important thing on your body. It's that little alien that's inside your head controlling the rest of your body, like in Men in Black. Make sure you protect that. Wear a helmet.